Greetings. Today we are going to present the project for Integrative Programming and Technologies, subject IPT. My name is Suchitraa and my group mates are Thanuesh, Sonia, and Suhan Raj. So, U Space Institution is a new institution in Kedah. This institution has been using the manual feedback system since a few years ago. Top management US Space System institution has decided to record all of the data of the user, like complaint and feedback, in a systematic system. So, our company, has been assigned by the institution to build a Java with MySQL database as shown in Figure 1. So this is the figure, ne? The database should include the user ID, category,
email,
and
complaint,
complaint feedback.
categories,
Besides,
complaint,
the user
feedback.
can insert
Besides,
new
the user can
complaint,
insert
search
new
previous
complaint and
complaint
search
record,
previous complaint
and
record from the
database by
with
user ID,
user
and
ID
clear
and can
all
clear
of
all
the
the
text
text
fields.
fields.
So this is
This is our Java coding. So first of all, we imported our Java FX and also the library needed. So we created a class called Complaint Management App, which extends to application. Then we have our database configuration to connect to MySQL database using JDBC, which uses a specific database table, complaints, and with column user ID, email, category, and feedback. Then we have our layout. Then we have our complaint categories and also Java FX components where we have text fields for user ID, email, and feedback, a combo box for selecting the complaint category, buttons for inserting, searching, resetting, and cancelling option. This is more of our Java FX component. We have labels for user ID, email, complaint category, feedback. For complaint category, we have combo box and feedback. Then we have insert button, which we added some styling. Then search button, reset button, cancel button. We have styling for each of it, which has their own methods, which links to their own methods. For example, insert button links to insert complaint method, and then search button links to search complaint button. Clear fields connects to clear fields button. Then we have our layout components to arrange our items. So this is more of our layout components. Then we have our insert complaint method. So what this method does is capture user input and inserts a new complaint into the database, and also clears fields and shows an alert upon success. Then we also have search complaint method, reset field method, and to cancel also. The search complaint searches a database for complaints based on user ID, and reset fields clear all input fields. Cancel closes the application. And this is another brief explanation of half of our coding. So imports, we import the necessary JavaFX and JDBC libraries are imported. Class definition, the complaint management app class extends application, making it a JavaFX application. Constants for JDBC connection details, tables names, and column names are defined. And complaint category, an array of complaint categories defined. And for the JavaFX components, text fields, combo boxes, and buttons are declared as class variables. Then the start method, this method sets up the JavaFX stage, creating labels, text field, combo boxes, and buttons. It also set up event handlers for button clicks.
As you can see, the explanation that I can give from this coding is about the retrieve user ID, which is considered the method gets the user ID from a text field, and the second is the database connection, which establishes a connection to the database using the JDBC. Moreover, is the SQL query preparation, which is considered a prepared statement, which is created to find complaints within the specified user ID. And as on is the execute query. The query is executed when the result is processed. So the handle results if a complaint found is extracts and displays the email, category, and feedback in the respective fields. So the exception handling, the last one, which is considered any SQL exceptions are caught and printed. Uh, the last but not least, on the additional methods, one of the additional methods that I can explain is about the show alerts, which displays an alert with a specified message. Okay, thank you. Okay, the final one is the explanation for the both of the coding, which is insert complaint method, which is called when the insert button is clicked. So it retrieves data from the input fields and inserts a new record into the database. Search complaint is the method is called when the search button is clicked. It searches for complaint. So clear fields method is the method where it clears all the input fields. Show alert is the method where it displays an alert dialog with the specified message, header text, and the content text. Main method is the method where it launches the Java FX application. So the user ID is the one who provides a simple user interface for interacting with the system.
Now, this is the SQL coding to create the database. Create database if not exist, complaint underscore management. Use complaint management. Now it says create table if not exist, complaint. Now user ID varchar 50, email varchar 100, category varchar 50, feedback text, and the primary key is user ID. This is the PHP MyAdmin. So this is the database that we created, which is information underscore schema.
Okay, so this is our output where we have user ID, email, complaint category, and feedback. So for user ID, email, and feedback, we have three text boxes. And for complaint category, we have a combo box where the category will be displayed. And we have four different buttons for insert, search, reset, and cancel. Okay, so when you click the insert button, all the input that has been made will be saved to the database and a message box will pop up saying that the complaint has been inserted. Okay, so next for search button, when you click the user ID, for an example, one in your user ID and you click search, all your information will pop up automatically. Okay, so next for the reset button, once you click reset button, all your fields will be cleared. And to end the entire process, you can click the cancel button. That's it.
This is our presentation. Thank you for listening.